We have a package. I know what it is, and let's open. We have here the Enterprise of Florida, the first edition, I believe, from Tom Knott's Library, Mike, August of 2000. August of 1977. TP $10. I knew Dr. Eugene Lyon. He was my business partner. I do have a copy that's signed to 76, so somewhere here it's signed. At least that's what it said. Yep. Anyways, I knew Gene for a very long time. There it is. It's signed. Pedro Menéndez de Avilés was probably developed on Convoy system. Interesting. Anyways, it's the hardcover version, and I knew him for a very long time. Here is the contents. Here's the genealogy. It's somewhere here in the back. Let me see if I can find it. It's not in the back. Here's the genealogy of the Enterprise. The Menéndez de Avilés family, Burkandil de Valdez, the Flores de Valdez, the Arango family, Valdez family, La Bandera, Miranda de las Alas, and Marquis, or Menéndez Marquez. And this is published in 1976, Maps, University of Florida. Hardcover, so it's nice to have. This was signed by G, but it's not. Apparently it's not. Look at it one more time. Just the frustrating part, it said that it was signed. So, anyways, yeah, I knew Gene for a very long time. I worked with him for a very long time and dealt with him, and go from there. So that book is going to go over there while I'm reorganizing stuff. But please like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, let me know. Thanks.